The Joint Point and Crossing module is available under the Inspection tab in SMMS and can be accessed by all SSE JE and SSE in charge role. To use this module, click on the plus sign at the right corner of the page. Select the station from the search bar. Mapped point numbers will appear in the drop-down menu. If the point number is not visible in the menu, then you need to map the point with the corresponding point number of the TMS application. Here, mapping of 59A of SMMS has been successfully mapped with 59A PM of TMMS. This is ensured for signaling official and his engineering counterpart to be on the same page during inspection. Now that we have learned mapping, let's move on to entering inspection details. Partially filling the forms can be saved as draft. After entering the OTPS, which will be sent to the registered numbers of both signaling and engineering officials, details can be updated. The OTPS are valid for one calendar date and can be used for submitting inspection details of all the point and crossing which were carried out during that date. We can now see that the status has been changed from draft to confirmed and it is no longer editable. Here we have seen that an individual point machine inspection was submitted. For the ease of users, multi-selection of all the drafted point machines inspection details can be submitted at once by submitting the OTPS in the end. Thank you.